What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. We finally got internet back, people. Yay! I don't have to drive into town no more fighting off the roving band of toddlers looking for Paw Patrol and Barney and all those other little shows that they try to watch. They're not hijacking 18-wheelers no more and lineman trucks. Don't have to hide out in the woods trying to fight them off with sticks and bayonets. We can finally get back to doing what we do, people. Today, to celebrate, we're going to do sea scallops and artichokes in extra dry vermouth. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. We're going to go ahead and begin. Go ahead and pour down some oil first to lubricate the pan. Swish that all around. Now drain out your artichoke hearts. Grab you your salt. Today I'm using cherry wood smoked sea salt. And then fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to call this done. Go ahead and throw down some more oil in the pan. Go ahead, throw down some more oil in the pan. Swish that around, get it all lubricated up. Start putting your sea scallops in. Now they cook up real quick, just a couple minutes per side. Throw down some salt. Now remember, with your tongs, click them twice or the barbecue fairy doesn't bring you good dreams when you Alright, starting to get that good sear. We're going to go ahead and flip them now. And we're going to go ahead and season this side up now. Now, the sea scallops are almost done, so We're going to go ahead and hit it up with that vermouth. You need a half a cup worth. So pour that in and let that alcohol cook out before you transfer it out of the plate onto the other plate. And we're done. Love me some scallops. Takes no time at all to do them. Going in. Nice and salty. Melt in your mouth, buttery. Got a nice little pepper note to them with all that fresh cracked black pepper. Oh, so good. Let's go after some of this artichokes. Just creamy. Throw it even better over some rice. Buttered rice. Be so good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.